So where's the resource shelf? Well, if you come into the UAB Teach Suite and get over to where my office is, there is a whole shelf of resources. Here's your grand tour, and would you be thinking about the course you're teaching and where you would need it? So you may have used, if you were in step 1 or step 2, one of these menu lessons at the top. Elementary, you probably won't need those. And middle school, if you run into trouble, you might want to look in there. Those are the menu lessons set up for step 2, but you actually might find something good there. The next shelf is math. So you've got 6th grade and 7th grade. Algebra 1, oh, that's geometry. We'll come back to that. So math teachers, that's where you are. Then we get to the science shelf. These notebooks, these are LTF lessons, laying the foundation, all of the notebooks that come from A+ College Ready. So middle school earth science and physics, middle school life science and chemistry. Then there's some other curriculum in here, mainly from It's About Time Publishing. EarthCom, that's actually high school earth science. Interactions in Physical Science, that's for 8th grade physical science. And then there's also active physical science there. There was another one over here. Active physical science was developed for 9th grade. It says physical science, so it has physics and chemistry. Then you get down to our biology shelf. There are 2, notice part 1 and 2, biology LTF lessons. Then there's some other biology courses, including, that's a great resource, Biology, A Human Approach from BSCS, great inquiry-based lessons, and ADI, Argument-Driven Inquiry. There's some other general resources here, and then it looks like A+ College Ready, I just saw that, some down there. Now we're getting down to the high school physics and chemistry. Again, LTF lessons in a notebook. Then you get to active physics. Do you remember up here we had active physical science? Well, active physics is just the physics lessons for that. Then there's another resource, Physics by Inquiry. Over here is chemistry. That's active chemistry, which is a high school curriculum. Bits and pieces of it are in active physical science. Oh look, there's an argument-driven inquiry in chemistry. You saw ADI up there in biology. And then project-based inquiry science, energy and digging in. That is more where you've got a lot of stuff around the idea of energy. I don't even know what digging in is. And then at the bottom is more math resources. Really, I don't know as much about that. There is meaningful math. So math teachers, that is, I do know about that. That's an inquiry-based curriculum. It is from It's About Time Publishing. They're the same people who did active chemistry, active physics. So that's another set of math curricula. All of this over here, I think, is more resources. Got it? There's your grand tour. So when you begin looking for resources, you know which one to look for.